5.2.1 Formulate quadratic systems given word problems. The essential question is, how do I formulate a system containing quadratic equations given a verbal description? The skill is, I can formulate quadratic systems given a verbal description. In the year 2020, Sabrina and Sasha each received $7,000. Sabrina decided to keep the money at home, and each year she would add $700 to her savings. Sasha decided to invest $7,000 into AI stocks. The value of Sasha's stocks climbed according to a parabolic curve until it peaked at $19,250 in 2027. By 2033, Sasha's stocks had fallen to a value of $10,250. Formulate a system of equations to determine the number of years it would take for the amount Sabrina has in her savings to be equal to the value of Sasha's AI stock. So we have two equations here that we're dealing with. We have Sabrina's money and we have Sasha's money. We'll call Sabrina S1. So Sabrina's money, she keeps it at home and is adding 700 each year. 700 would be the rate of change. Actually, let's call that T. 700 times the number of years plus the initial $7,000. So this one's linear. Now, Sasha's money, it specifically says is parabolic. So it's going to be a quadratic. The original amount is $7,000. But we need to figure out what those two numbers are. Let's write down the information that we know. So at the beginning, we'll say that T is 0. She had $7,000. Now it says 2027. If the original year was 2020, and now it's 2027, 7 years have went by. So after 7 years, it's $19,250. And then 2033, 13 years goes by, and it's at $10,250. Let's use these 3 points to formulate this equation. You could use matrices here, or you could also use a regression model. Let's go ahead and use the regression formula on the Desmos calculator to find this. So we'll go to desmos.com/calculator. Click the plus sign, click on table, and then type in your 3 data points. Next, click the box below and type in y1 tilde ax1 caret 2 plus bx1 plus c. From there, we can find what A, B, and C are. A is negative 250, B is 3,500, and C is 7,000. Let's write that down on the paper. So these would be your two equations. Sabrina's money is 700T plus 7,000. and Sasha's money is negative 250t squared plus 3,500 plus 7,000. Now try the other example below. Once you finish that, move on to the next skill.